This is another product that I'm very excited about. And another product in the complete line of vitamins. This is a complete C, this is complete E. Complete minerals, complete C, complete E, and complete multis. Those 4 pills go back to the late 60s. So they have roughly 40, 50 years of history behind them. And this is why I'm excited about this. This complete vitamin E is different than 95% of vitamin E is on the market. It's very hard to find this kind of E. And here it goes. You ready? Most people think vitamins are all created equal. Vitamin E is vitamin E, vitamin C is vitamin C. Absolutely not. Just like a tire on your car or just like food, the way the ingredients you use and how it's put together, it makes a big difference in their performance. You are most commonly used to seeing vitamin E in a soft gel, oil soft gel that you swallow. And that can be synthetic or can be natural. Something like this. And we carry that too. It's in a soft gel. That is fine if that's what you want, and it is a very not expensive form of natural vitamin E. But if you want a product that's going to function the way vitamin E is supposed to function, you want the complete E. And here's what makes it complete. We take the complete E from an oil source, which is fat soluble, and convert it into water soluble, a dry source. It's known as dry E. And it is in a tablet, not a soft gel. And the tablet makes it a lot more easy to disperse in the body and absorb much quicker, which we make it also immune to the stomach acid so it doesn't get destroyed. And your body's ability to use it is exponentially superior to the oil format, especially if you are in your past 30s or 40s or 50s and you need E for hormonal balancing, you need E for cholesterol lowering, for skin conditioning, for memory, and for central nervous system maintenance, and I could go on and on. You want to make sure that you're getting it in the proper way, which is a dry E, not the oil-based E. Nothing wrong with the oil base, but this performs a lot better, and it's exponentially more expensive. We have special ways of making sure it's not too expensive to you. Here's another thing that makes this E complete. In addition to putting the right vitamin E in dry form in it, we have all the family of the tocopherols, not just the one alpha tocopherol succinate part of vitamin E. We have the rest of the alpha, the gamma, the zeaxanthin, all the full spectrum of vitamin E, the way nature intended for our body to use when you get it from nature. You don't get only one source of E, you get them all. It's all in this pill. We made extra care to make sure our supplements, especially the complete line, to give you the ingredient the way it was intended by nature, complete. We went one extra step and made this vitamin E extra special by adding a special antioxidant complex to it, like grapeseed extract and grapefruit extract and coenzyme Q10 and some other things that are very expensive and not found in any other vitamin E that will help you live longer and help combat free radicals. Complete E is the best E you can get, and it's a very rare type of E that very few brands dare to mimic or make something like it.